Hi!
Ito na pala, andito na pala kayo. Good morning! Wow! So, hi! Again, I'm Tet Kujamat Lim.
I'm Terence Ray Lim.
We
are your
Fridge Mentors! We are now enjoying the very beautiful resort of Crimson Boracay here in Boracay.
Wow! It's a 5-star hotel. No? This is the Fridge life. No? Parang ang sarap na isipin na you can have your vacation every day, anytime you want.
We would like to share with you, to all the overseas Filipinos around the world, the part of the 5 principles of our book,
Nandito.
The OFW Fridge Handbook, Your Guide to a Free and Rich Life.
So ito yung una kasi 5 principle, 5 action steps. Ibig sabihin nyo, FRICH. Ito yung ginawa namin na that made us from zero to a multi-millionaire. So, sige natin, excited na sila. Let's talk about the F, no? Ano ba yung F? Ito yung you need to focus on the right money belief. Ulitin ko ha, you need to focus on the right money belief. Ano ba yung right money belief, Ted?
Lumaki kasi tayo sa buhay natin from the time pinanganak tayo hanggang sa lumaki tayo that there are so many beliefs na nalagay sa ating mga isipan at tumanim na sa ating mga puso hanggang sa lumaki tayo. And those beliefs, those wrong money beliefs are causing us not to be free and rich.
Saan ba nakukuha yung mga wrong money beliefs?
Terence, we get those wrong money beliefs sa environment natin. Like yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin. Like our family.
Family?
Yeah,
ito, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Yung TV. Yung mga telenovela dyan, di ba?
Naiyakan ng iyakan,
Iyakan na iyakan. Yung mga mayayaman, lagi may sakit. Kung hindi masakit, mata pobre. Kung hindi mata pobre, di ba? Ang daming mga negative
wrong beliefs
ayaw ko na maging mayaman. Kung gawin pala yung buhay mayaman, ayaw ko maging mayaman.
Hindi lang yung Terence, diba? Not only in what we are watching, but then also to the people close to us, diba? In our home, in our community. Sila yung nagbibigay sa atin ng wrong money beliefs. Diba? Like Terence, ano ba yung sample ng mga wrong money beliefs?
Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko eh. No? Kahit saging, basta labing. Hindi ba?
Wow!
Sabi nila, di ba?
Pwede ba yun?
Kahit saging lang daw kinakain mo, basta makasama-sama tayo, basta labing tayo, maging masaya na. Ang tanong ko, Ted, subukan mo kumuhain ng saging habang buhay. Magiging masaya kaya?
Okay, maybe on the first 3 days, pwede pa, bigyan mo ako ng fritter, bigyan mo ako ng ice banana. So, bigyan mo ako ginataang saging, but
habang buhay.
Yeah, siguro darating yung point mag-aaway na kayong mag-asawa because you can really feel na we don't have money. So, that is a very good example of a wrong money belief.
Ano pa yung masiisip mo na wrong money belief din?
Ito talaga, sobra to. Sabi nila, money is the root of all evil.
Grabe. No? Money is the root of all evil. Tama, di ba? Sabi ko kanina, di ba sa telenovela, yung mga mayayaman, masama.
Oo. Pero I don't think, Terence, no, ako personally, I don't believe in that. How can money be the root of all evil? If I can bring my whole family in this very beautiful 5-star resort in Boracay, the Crimson Boracay, and how can I pay 25,000 pesos per room if I don't have money? So, how is it possible na sasabihin nilang masama ang maging mayaman? Hindi yata ako papayag doon. My kids, pagdating pa lang namin dito, ang tanong na, how many days are we going to stay here, Mama? How many days? Diba? So, the excitement, the happiness you can give dun sa iyong family, grabe, it's immeasurable.
Bring them to Disneyland, diba? Sa iba-ibang lugar.
Yeah.
Give them the best education they have sa mga international schools, diba?
Of course, it's our happiness as parent na makita natin masaya ang ating mga bata. At of course, to bring them in a very good school, yes. Diba? Until the time they graduated, yes. Diba?
Aside from sa family lang, Ted, saan pa ba ano?
Ito talaga, napakaganda nito. And sabi nga natin, diba, in our group, in our team, we have this 2 M's that are very important. And that is to earn millions and help millions, diba?
Ano ibig sabihin yun, Ted?
Terence, for the past 4 years, diba, that we have become rich millionaires together ng ating mga kasamaan. We have generated millions of pesos galing sa ating pocket because we became rich, and then we helped millions of Filipinos dito sa mga underprivileged poor children and families. Ang dami na natin nabigyan ng mga yellow boat, yung mga islands na kailangan nilang maglangoy para lang makapag-aral ang mga bata. So we donated hundreds of boats, di ba? Hindi lang yung Terence, we also gave bags, di ba?
Sa mga school children,
Yeah.
na ang pagpasok nila, ang dala-dala nila supot. Di ba? So these are just an example, some examples na if you want to make a difference in this world, if you want to help others, kailangan tulungan mo muna sarili mo. The more richer you become, the more free you become, the more time and money you can share.
Kasi nga naman, di ba, paano ka makakatulong kung wala kang pera? How is it possible that you will be able to help a lot of underprivileged Filipinos here in the Philippines, di ba?
This is the reason why we are so passionate, no, sa trabaho namin. No?
Yeah.
This is the reason why we're passionate to share our secrets, no, para maraming Filipino maging
Rich.
millionaires.
Yeah,
No? So pag
rich and
millionaires
millionaire.
na, rich na millionaires, so ibig sabihin, ang dami natin tao matutulungan, and we will bring the Philippines to the next level, a rich Philippines.
Wow, excited ako doon. So for that reason, we wanted you also to be able to enjoy yung rich lifestyle, di ba? So how can they enjoy, Terence?
Ganito ha, first is you get a copy of our book. No, kasi lahat na 10 years experience namin, lahat na reason why na naging multi-millionaire kami, from zero to a multi-millionaire, nandito lahat. So
Yeah,
get a
Terence.
copy of this book. So at the same time, we would also like to invite you, no, to our action programs. Meron kami 2 action programs. Ilan? 2. No? Yung 2 action programs, yung first, ang tinatawag namin ay Balik Mayaman Action Program. Ito
Which
yung
is
BMAP.
the BMAP. And the second that you can attend is the FBAC, which is the Freedom Business Action Program.
So just attend our less than 1 hour na mga action programs, mga seminars na that will change your lives. Your life will never be the same again.
Okay,
Yeah.
so thank you so much all the overseas Filipino. Stay free!